Hello kids, welcome back to Clever Kabba Aisha. Today we are going to learn something very interesting. Whole numbers. Let's start with a question. Do you know what numbers we use to count things like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and so on? These are called whole numbers. Whole numbers are the numbers that start from 0 and go on and on. They never ends. We keep counting more and more. Are you still confused? Let's learn from an example. If you have 3 apples, you can count them as 1, 2 and 3. If there are no apple, that means 0. So yes, 0 is also a whole number. Whole numbers don't have fractions or decimals. They are just full numbers, no half, no point. Let's repeat. Whole numbers start from 0 and go on and on. They never ends. They help us count things around us. They are full numbers. No fraction, no point. Great job kids. Now you know what whole numbers are. For more fun and learn, subscribe to Clever Kabba Aisha. Bye bye.